Okay, I just took and went and did a impromptu shoot with my gun to see how my carry ammo that I've decided to carry. I've decided after trying out different brands, Silver Bear, the Hornady XTP, now the Hornady FTX, I've decided to carry the Hornady Critical Defense FTX in 9mm Monkrov. I know a lot of fellas decide that they want to carry a 40 Smith & Wesson. I've even carried 9mm myself. I know a lot of people like to carry 45 because they want to talk about penetration, they want to talk about energy. But let's take a look at this bullet. This bullet right here is not a true 9mm. Instead of actually being .357, it's actually .363 starting life out. And this right here is the remnant. This right here was shot into soaked newspaper that would have been about the same consistency as 10% ordnance gelatin, or even jello. Very similar to what would be in some type of animal flesh. And this is the little rubber piece that was in the end of it to keep it from getting stocked up. As you can see, the way the bullet is designed, there's absolutely no way that any type of clothing would get into this hollow point of this bullet, because this bullet is only traveling at 1,000 feet per second, and that would slow it down from expanding. But we get massive energy transfer, the energy that it does produce. This thing has swelled out, as you can see by reading the vernier caliber here. It has swelled out to .629. I mean, it's almost doubled itself, almost doubled in size, and it's still a beautiful mushroom. And every single post I've seen online has been consistent. And this right here is out of a pistol that was made in 1954 in Hungary. So this right here is excellent. 7 rounds in the magazine, 1 in the chamber, 8 rounds, perfect open carry, perfect concealed carry, perfect for self-defense work. Would this be my first choice to go hunt with? No, not unless I was hunting rabbits, maybe to keep a coyote out of the chicken pen at night. But for self-defense, this right here is now, as far as I'm concerned, a very viable round in today's climate. You don't have to worry about over penetration of the individual you're shooting at. This particular gun here will shoot groups very, very, very tightly. With this ammunition here, I can put all 8 inside of 1.5 inches at 14, 15 yards. Inside of that, I can put it inside of 1 inch. It looks like one hole. So this right here is very, very, very capable of defending yourself if ever needed to. This right here has proved itself, and this will probably be what I would recommend to anyone that's wanting a lightweight, inexpensive, yet very effective round. This 9mm Monkrov. If you can find a 380, you can do the same thing basically in a 380. This has just a little bit more oomph to it. Granted, this is not a true Monkrov. It shoots the Monkrov round. That's the only thing it has in common with the Monkrov. It's more like a water PPK. But this is an excellent combination. The Hornady Critical Defense, as you can tell, I mean, this is just a beautiful gem of a projectile. I mean, you can't ask for anything any better. I mean, it was wonderful. I mean, I got right at 10 inches of penetration in wet newspaper. So this right here is probably where I'm going to stay at until somebody else. I would love to see Remington bring out the Golden Saber in this. This right here would probably be a wonderful Golden Saber critical defense type round. Golden Saber probably would be just as good, if not better, and probably have a little bit more energy. But I hope you appreciate the post. Hope you appreciate the video.